Reflective blinds, sunglasses for your windows. Hi, I'm Eric from Reflective Blinds. I've been involved with the company for just over 12 months now. Joined Derek Coleman as a co-director of the company, and I'm very excited to introduce new products.
My name is Derek Coleman. It's just been an awesome journey. It's a learning curve. I was a dairy farmer, wheat farmer, and now I'm in the blind industry. No, it's a big change. Going right back in the early days, we started off in the sun shed, and that was pretty good. You know, we got started, and we were pretty cramped. I look around here and I think, wow, this is amazing. I think probably the most exciting thing is doing control towers at airports. You know, you're designing things all the time and changing things. Once you've got the measurements and you've got an order, it goes to Russell's desk and then he processes that. Once you do that, you've got to cut all the aluminium, the top tube, the bottom tube for just a standard blind. Control towers, it's more sophisticated. You've got springs and pulleys and motors and lots of difficult things to overcome. But once you've cut the tube, you take the burrs off the edge of the tubes and put it in a rack. You roll out the film on a cutting table like this. You cut it with a pizza cutter, and that's been really good. And then you do the turn-up. We've got a electromagnet turn-up when you put the double-sided tape on the film. You roll the tube onto the film, just like a piece of film like that, and then put it on the bench over here, and it goes into testing on the test rig. And then it's packed and sent away with a courier.
We're a local business. Everything is made on premises in our factory. 90% of our product is Australian, and we have all Australian labour, and we're very proud of that, and we'd just like to see more Australian people employed. We want to see our blinds wherever there's a window. We want to see our blinds be part of that market.